Hello everyone, welcome to ECLE 2.0. Today in this lesson, we will know about parts of speech in English. So let's get started. Understanding English grammar through example, and we know that parts of speech is very important for us. So let's know about what is parts of speech and introduce. So now let's begin. So we can say that overview of 8 parts of speech in English, each playing a unique role in constructing sentence. So first is that noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjection. So firstly, let's know about noun. So noun is that noun word that name people, place, thing, and ideas. We can say that. Or we have some advanced definition of noun, which is all the naming word that can be touch and feel, that is called noun. For example, that person. Person means teacher, child. So this is example of the person. Next is that place. Place means library, city. Yeah, name of place, name of any country, name of any state. We can say that. Next is that things. Things means like books, pencil, mobile phone, laptop. So whatever you can look things, whatever you have things in our home, that is called also noun. Next is that idea. Idea means one type of the thoughts like freedom, love, happiness, sadness, that is called idea. So types of nouns like common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, and collective noun. So these are simple meaning the noun. Next is that pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun that replace noun to avoid repetition. So pronoun is used for avoid repetition. Yeah, we can say that pronoun is used name of the noun. For example, pronoun is that he, she, it, they, them. We can say that. Types of pronouns like subjective, objective, and possessive. Subjective pronoun means I, we. Objective pronoun is that me, him. And possessive pronoun is that his and their, my. These are possessive pronoun. Let's know about adjectives. What is adjective? Adjectives word that describe or modify noun. So what is the work of adjective? Adjective describe quality of noun. How is the noun? Suppose we take example of Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is noun. What we say? Virat Kohli is player. So player is adjective because it is describing about the noun. For example, sun. Sun is noun. What we can say that sun is big star. So it is the adjective. We can say that. For example, we are taking like large, happy, red, and quick. And the large dog, a happy child. We can say that. Types of adjectives like descriptive, quantitative, demonstrative, and possessive adjective. We can say that, and we can use that. Next is that verbs. So what is verbs? Like word that show action or a state of being. So words that shows action. For example, run, jump, is, or have. These are verbs. For example, we have uses in sentence like she runs fast. They are happy. We can say that. Types of verbs like action verb, linking verb, and helping verb. Action verb like play, fast. We can say that play, and we can say that run, sit. So these are action verbs. It means that shows action. And linking verb is, am, are. Was, were. These are linking verb. Helping verb has, have, had. These are helping verb. Now Let's know about adverbs. Adverbs, word that modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. For example, we can say that quickly, very, and often. So words that modify a verb. Okay, like adjectives. For say that like quickly, very, and often. For example, she speaks quietly. He is very kind. So here very is adverb. Quietly is adverb. We can say that. We have some example. Types of adverbs like manner, time, place, degree, and frequency. We can use that. Next is that prepositions. What is prepositions? Prepositions is that word that show relationship of noun or pronoun to another word. It shows the relationship. We can say that. Example, in, on, to, another. Other example is used in sentence like the book is on the table. She sat beside him. So table, on is the preposition, beside is the prepositions. We can say that. Let's know about conjunctions. Word that link words, phrase, or clause. We can say that. For example, and, but, or, because. Types of conjunctions like coordinating and subordinating conjunction, and correlative conjunction. We can say that. For example, she wanted to tea and coffee. He went outside because it was sunny. We can say that. Now let's know about interjection. Interjection, word used to express sudden emotion. For example, oh, wow, oops, shh. We can say that. Okay. For example, wow, that's amazing. Oops, made a mistake. We can say that. It shows sudden emotion, strong emotion. We can say that. So I hope from this video, introductory video, we have learned about parts of speech. So summary brief recap the 8 parts of speech and their importance in making sentence clear and effective. We can say that. Final thought, mastering parts of speech is the key to understand and constructing clear expressive sentence in English. So you can use that. So how this lesson? Please tell me in comment box. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe ECLE 2.0 and share this video. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.